Hi, this video is about how to make a rotating flash banner. I'm using the Adobe Flash CS5 to make this rotating banner. When I say control or text movie and then in Flash Professional, it will open the completed project here. And what's going on here is that every 3 seconds the image rotate and it fade away. So during the transition it fade away, and another feature is that when you click on any button here, it go directly to that image and then it start to rotate from there. So that's what I'm going to show, how to make this rotating flash banner here. So let's start here. Here I have created images. Let's start with the image layer. So you insert the first image here, it will go all the way up to here, frame number 65, and it uses the 24 frame per second. So it take around like 3 seconds approximately, 2.7 second here, and then remaining 0.3 second is for the transition here. So you create this image and insert this image here at the first frame, then you insert another keyframe at this particular 65 location, and then you create the motion twin here between this 65 to 75 time frame, and that is you create the, so for example in this image I select this image and then you select the alpha, and at this particular 75 number frame the alpha will become 0. So if I rotate my timeline here, I mean drag my timeline, as you can see the image is fading away, and you do the same thing for all the images. So here there is a one keyframe, it go all the way up to here, same keyframe stays as is. As I drag here, image stays here. Then at this particular frame number 140, there is another keyframe, there is a motion twin going on here, and it fade away image here. So if I move my timeline, it goes from it's fading away second image, and you repeat the same step at all the way to the image layer. So that's about the image layer. Now there are like 5 buttons, button 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there are like 5 buttons here, button 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let me go back to my first frame here. So I'm at the first frame in the button 1. There are like I have drawn the 5 circle. This one, second, third, 4 and 5. So now then once you draw this circle, you can give some gradient by using this tool here. You can see the radial gradient. I have already converted to the symbol, so I cannot do change the colors or anything like that, but first you draw the circle and use this gradient tool or radial gradient to give this kind of gradient on this ball. So once you convert this button and give them this name here, so let's say for example I created this button 2 here, I give it a name, convert to the symbol, and I give it a name here, button 2, and so these are the instance name of this button. Now that's what going on this buttons here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So once you create all these buttons, let's go to the flag layer. So in that flag layer is at the frame number 1 I have created flag image 1. Then you insert insert the keyframe and give it a name, image 1. Same thing you do go on the 75 number frame, you give a instance name number image, flag name image 2, and so on. So you just what this will help, when you click on the button 2, it will take you to the image 2 directly. When somebody click the image 1, it will take you to the image 1 frame. So that's what going on at this. These are the purpose of this flag layer, and then the action here. So once you create this flag layer, okay, so now I want to add the action on on this button. So you select this button first here, and then you select this particular frame. Make sure that you are at the timeline number 1 and you have selected this button, and then you can open the action script here. And I have already created this action script here, so it is just snippet. So let me show you how you add the action here. You select the button, you go to time frame number 1, you go in the window, and then you go to code snippet, and then you use this timeline navigation, and then you select this one, click go to frame and play. That's what you pick here and add the snippet. So let me open that code snippet, how it look like. Basically you can get this action frames from same here. Where is that? Here, F9. You just select, and so I have already added this code snippet. So what basically it does is, when somebody click on button 1 that we created, it go to image number 1, that is the flag that we created, and then it plays from there. Same way you click on button 2, it go to that image number 2, and so on. So that's the purpose of this, adding the code snippet. Okay, so you do the same thing for the next thing. You add the code snippet for the button number 2. Select button 2, make sure you are at the time number 1, and then add the code snippet as I shown earlier, and thus you repeat the same step for number 2 to 5. Now at the ball layer, so what's going on here is that it is similar to image. You insert that green ball, it go all the way, stay at the number all the way up to 60 number, frame number 65, and then it transition between let me so as you can see it let me close this layer so you can see here. As you can see, I am going 65, and then this green ball in the circle, it is fading away all the way up to here, and then it disappeared. And as soon as it go to 70 number 5, the ball appears here, and then you can see that ball here, and the same thing, that ball stay active along with the image. It go up to 145, and when the image is transitioning, the ball transition away as well. So that's the purpose of the ball layer. And that's pretty much about this rotating flash banner. Hopefully, I think you need to know a little bit more about this Adobe Flash before you start to work on it, because it can get a little bit complicated. But hopefully this you like this video, and if you like if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye.